What is cash flow? Monkey have leaves. Leaves come in. Leaves go out. Cash flow is just how leaves move. Monkey sell banana. Leaf come in. Monkey buy banana. Leaf go out. Simple. Life good. Monkey run little banana stand. Every day monkey sell 10 banana. Every day monkey get 100 leaves. That is cash coming in. But monkey also pay for banana. Monkey pay for wood table. Monkey pay for the leaf that hold the stand up. That is cash going out. Leaves in minus leaves out equal cash flow. When more leaf come in than go out, cash flow positive. Monkey smile. But watch this. Someday banana rot. Someday rain come. Someday no monkey buy banana. Leaves still go out though. Wood table still cost leaf. Monkey still hungry, still eat. So leaves out, but no leaves in. Now cash flow negative. Monkey frown. Monkey stand can look rich, big pile of banana. But if no leaf moving, monkey still broke. Banana in hand is not leaf in pocket. Time for big monkey words. Cash flow have 3 buckets. 1. Operating cash flow. This is leaf from selling banana, the normal monkey business. 2. Investing cash flow. This is leaf monkey spend on new banana tree or fancy new stand, or leaf monkey get when monkey sell old stand. 3. Financing cash flow. This is leaf monkey borrow from bank monkey, or leaf monkey, pay back to bank monkey. 3 buckets. All just leaves moving. See? Monkey make you smart already. But wait, monkey learns scary secret. Monkey can have profit and still die. What? Yes. Monkey sell 100 banana to Big Gorilla Corporation. Big Gorilla say, Monkey, I pay you next month. On paper, monkey rich. Monkey profit huge. But monkey pocket? Empty. 0 leaf today, and rent monkey due today. Big Gorilla did not die for this. This is called the timing problem. Profit is a promise. Cash is a banana in the mouth right now. Monkey, learn hard way. Business not fail because no profit. Business fail because leaf run out at wrong time. This has name, insolvency. Fancy word for monkey out of leaf. So smart monkey watch cash flow closer than monkey watch profit. Profit make monkey look good. Cash keep monkey alive. Now monkey escalate. Let us do the numbers, monkey style. Say leaf come in 500 a month. Leaf go out 600 a month. Every month monkey lose 100 leaf. Monkey have 1,000 leaf saved. So monkey have 10 month before pile hit 0. This is called runway. 10 month of runway. When runway end, plane crash. Monkey plane made of leaf. Not good plane. True monkey story. Many banana stands do not die from bad banana. They die from cash flow. Monkey sell tons of banana over holiday. Monkey order double banana for next holiday. But customers pay late. Suppliers want leaf now. Stand full of banana, order book full, and yet no leaf to pay the wood table monkey. Stand close. Sign, say, gone bananas. Monkey learn. Growing too fast can drain leaf faster than shrinking. Quick word from monkey sponsor and monkey stay in character, do not run. Today, video kept alive by leaf tracking app that show monkey exactly when leaf come in and go out, all on one banana. No spreadsheet that make monkey brain hurt. It connect to monkey bank. It warn monkey before runway end. It even sort the 3 buckets for you. Link in monkey description. First month free banana. Now back to leaf. So how monkey stay alive? Monkey give you tips. 1. Get leaf in fast. Pay leaf out slow. Ask customer to pay now. Ask supplier if monkey can pay later. 2. Keep buffer pile. 3 month of leaf out saved. Sleep better. 3. Know your runway before you fly. 4. Chase the late paying Big Gorilla. Politely bare teeth. This is not financial advice. Monkey is a cartoon. Please do not sue Monkey. Thank you to all monkeys in the troop. Primate Portfolio has donated leaf to help protect real apes in real forests. Because apes with habitat cash flow good. Join the troop, tell a monkey friend, and watch your leaves. Remember, Profit is a promise, cash is a banana. Apes together strong.